Hi everyone! Welcome to the first video of the Gradium Guide series. So, a quick background about Gradium. So, Gradium is an AI-powered assessment tool that can automatically check handwritten tasks on paper. So, it can check multiple choice, identification, enumeration, essays, problem solving, and other types of items. So, how does Gradium work? So first is you input your questions or activity here in the Gradium platform, and then you download and print the answer sheets. Afterwards, you then distribute it to your students, then collect the papers. After collecting, that's the time that you will scan the answer sheets of your student. So after scanning, just wait 2 to 3 minutes and you will then be able to view the results of your student in the account that you have created here in Gradium. So in this video, I will show you how to create an account here in Gradium. So just go to gradium.com. Afterwards, just click sign in. So this is the login page. You will be redirected here. But since you will be creating an account, just click this create an account green button down below. And then before we start, just read the data handling here. After reading that, just click agree and continue, and then choose a way to sign up. For now, let's continue with email, and then enter our account details. So for email address, we recommend using your institutional email, but if you do not prefer that, then you can use your personal email instead. So after providing your email and setting your password, just click next. Then for step two, just click the teacher account, provide your name and then your school as well. And then click sign up. Then ask you to verify your email. So just check your email. If you have received a code from us, then input your verification code here. Afterwards, just click verify now and proceed. How did you hear about Gradium? So just choose the option on how you heard about Gradium and then click submit. And that's it. You have now successfully created an account here in Gradium. Thank you very much.